Thank you for your support. Take a thick cardboard and cover it up with A4 size sheet. Now take a black tape and stick it on its border to give it a finished look. Now take a rectangular box. I am taking a box of Wendy's and cover it up with red paper. I am using tape because it is easier to stick. Trim the excess. Cut out a white triangle and stick it onto the box YouTube's logo. Then stick the logo on tape. Write Channel's name with a pencil and then trace it by using marker or sketch pen. I am using a clip, and then erase the pencil's marking. Write, "Congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers," and make the old one YouTube's logo.